peace, joy and pancakes. We in Germany have for life, which is perfect, a word. Peace, joy and pancakes. So the perfect country isn't here on this dunya. It is only in Jannah. But if you are looking for the best place to live, it should help you that it's easier to practice the deen. But examinations and ignorance, dunja-lover, opponents, envy, and so on are everywhere. And so, no country is perfect. In many Arab countries, the dunya is so deep in the people, in their life. So many have given their heart to these dunya and kufr things and are only so-called Muslims. Many also think that if they grew up as Muslims, living in so-called Islamic country, or even if they only say La ilaha illallah, then they would have a house in Jannah, for sure. La hawla wa la quwwata illa billah. Many hearts are empty. They have never been able to taste the love of Islam, or have never understood Islam correctly. La hawla wa la quwwata illa billah. It makes sad and angry at the same time. They have grown up and live so privileged. It would be easy for them to learn or practice the deen due to language and environment, but they aren't interested because their hearts are stiff, locked for the word of Allah, because their hearts are filled with so many other things.